Exploring Lagos's vibrant street food scene was an adventure unlike any other. With over 20 million people bustling through its streets, Lagos is a city that never sleeps, where dreams are pursued with relentless determination.
I embarked on a mission to uncover the hidden gems of Nigerian street food, accompanied by Folly, a local expert and enthusiast of street cuisine.
Our journey led us to Allen Avenue, a renowned hub for nocturnal foodies seeking to satiate their late-night cravings. Here, amidst the hustle and bustle, we encountered a vendor skilled in the art of grilling fish and chicken.
The fish, marinated in a blend of spices known as yaji, was a true delight.
Its flavor, enhanced by the smoky grill, was a testament to the culinary creativity found in Lagos's street food culture. Moving on, we sampled noodles prepared by a street vendor, showcasing his culinary expertise with a fiery flair.
The noodles, infused with a medley of spices and vegetables, offered a tantalizing blend of flavors and textures.
It was a dish that epitomized the essence of Lagos's street food: bold, flavorful, and unapologetically spicy. Our culinary adventure continued with a taste of suya, a popular Nigerian delicacy consisting of skewered, spicy meat.
The suya, grilled to perfection and served with a side of yaji-infused vegetables, was a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Nigeria.
Throughout our journey, one thing became abundantly clear. Lagos's street food scene is a reflection of the city itself, vibrant, diverse, and full of life. It's a place where flavors collide, cultures intertwine, and every meal is an adventure waiting to be savored.